Most people only know about ChatGPT, but literally there are some tools that can edit videos, remove backgrounds, create content, create presentations, even build websites within seconds. So, welcome to Kesha Talks episode number 2, where we will talk about these kinds of AI tools. So, let's start. Tool number 1 is remove background instantly. And for that, we are going to use remove.bg. Upload any image and it will instantly removes the background from your photo. So it is perfect for branding, for the product photos, for the Instagram post, and even for the thumbnails. So do check it out. So tool number 2 is AI presentation maker, which is Gamma. This AI can generate presentations and documents with just one prompt. This can save hours of students, creators, and even founders. So do check it out. AI is not replacing humans, but the humans using AI is replacing to the human which is not using the AI. So you are smarter. That doesn't require at all. How you are using the tools smartly is the prime goal. Tool number 4 is Leonardo AI. What does it do? E- It is AI image generator app actually. You look so beautiful, you look so good. For this kind of like photo framing, for status अच्छा सा update करना है with the good photo वाला tag, so use it. AI will create the photos for you, the pics for you. So let's check what you can create from this. You can create luxury ads, product concepts, thumbnails, and also cinematic visuals just by typing. Just by typing. Number 5 is AI website builder, which is durable AI. Imagine you don't need coding to build a website. Under a minute, by just a prompt, your website will be built. So this is how durable AI works. So sixth one is AI notes and productivity, which is Notion AI. If you want a second brain, then this will work. It will help you manage your content flows, your strategies in a notes format, like when we were in the school, what we were doing, we were whatever we were learning, we were writing it in the short form, so that कि अब जब हम एग्जाम टाइम पे उसको पढ़े, एक रात पहले ही पढ़ते थे, बहुत दुख थे उस टाइम पे, तो हमें सब कुछ क्रिस्प फॉर्म में पता हो ताकि हम उसको जल्दी जल्दी से रट पाएँ, राइट? तो आपका वर्क फ्लो मेंटेन रखने के लिए कि आपको फिर फ़ोन उठा के स्किम ना करना पड़े, आपके कंटेंट गोल्स, आपके बिजनेस गोल्स, प्लान्स, आपका वर्क फ्लो सब कुछ मैनेज करने के लिए दिस नोशन AI वर्क्स, which will give you everything in just some time. So do check it out. And at last, I want to say this craziest part, that these all tools, most of the tools are free. So you have already a phone from which you are watching this video, right? So you have already an unfair advantage. So just start. What are you waiting for? Go. Go start. Still you are not starting. Go start. Start with the video.